What's up? Catch a blind one? Thought you did. How we get all twisted around? Oh, you ain't want to duck. You not duck. Nah, we go around with one point that way.
What you talking about?
You gotta get that diaper out of that tree. Be a good Samaritan. Better watch out for the snipe, Mike. What's that squealing? Yeah, you lost that throw. You need to be throwing your plug right there. Yeah, you need to throw your plug around that hoop. Serious. Okay. A little different. That's real polite woodpecker. Oh. Hanging, don't just try to snatch him in the butt. Make sure he's hung good. Yeah. Come on. We gotta wear him out. Don't try to snatch him in if he. What is he? Let's see him. I want to see him. Come on, I want to see him. Don't let him get hung. Oh, damn, that's nice. Wear him out, Seth. Don't try to snatch him in the boat. But when you get a fucking, don't run him up to the end of your rod. Don't run him up to the end of your rod. Give him some line. You gotta wear him out. You're gonna piss in your drawer. Come on now. Put your finger in his mouth. Don't you try to snatch him up by the end of your rod. Put your finger in his mouth before picking him up. Come on. Oh, let me see. Yeah. We'll take him all day long. He's 3 pounds. I'll give him 2.9 pounds, maybe 3. That's awesome. I like that. Awesome. That's cool. Takes a good boat power, though.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Let me see him again. That's awesome. Yeah, don't shoot him by your bait. Man, that's a good one. That's about good as you get down here. Give me some line. How about good as you get down here? I ain't shitting you. Don't you put him outside this boat. I'll buy that motherfucker. I might mount here. I ain't shitting you. It's hard to get a good 3-pounder down here. All right. Let's get on them now. Huh? Look at him playing up yonder.
You got them paper lines?
Hell to the yeah. Look at him playing up there. Dude, don't give yourself some slack with you.
It's hung up, bro.
Here, let me give you some line.
I got it. It's hung up, bro.
Now don't hook you in.